When I say bananas, you say peppers. And honestly, you guys, please leave me some love in the comments down below because I just had such an experience, and not a good one, by the way. I was filming this like big elaborate video for Graveyard Girl, basically doing a follow-up about my last video. There was so much discussion, and I don't know, I just had a really fun time with my last video. It was this whole thing about like discount makeup shopping at Marshall's, like follow me around, all this stuff. The comments were amazing. There was like a lot of discussion about the types of products that you get from those discount stores, and I literally like I've been working on this video for days, like so much like investigation and price checking, all kinds of crazy stuff, right? So tonight was the night to sit down and film that, and I was literally about more than halfway through with that video, and I was kind of struggling to film it in the first place because I feel like when I take on these more complicated videos, like I don't know, I just like don't have a mind that's like, I guess I don't know, I don't have a very disciplined mind. We are just gonna pull on my hair, you guys. I am a freaking mess today. It's just a video that I was like kind of struggling to keep all the points like linear. Maybe I haven't had enough caffeine. Maybe that's the problem. Also, I got a sunburn and a spray tan. I'm not sure how either is gonna look like, but in about 12 hours, we'll know. I need to do some kind of yoga, get it together. I struggle to sometimes like convey my thoughts in the best, most concise way. Like I will turn a paragraph into a 12-page thesis. And so basically I was like trying to like, it was a very difficult video that I was trying to film, for me at least. A whole notebook of information. I was like 9/10 done with filming the video, and all of a sudden this camera that I'm filming on right now, like the screen all of a sudden went black, and it flashed up like some error that I've never seen before in my life. And then like I struggled to even turn it back on. I switched batteries and everything else. And I was like hoping that it had saved whatever I had filmed, but I lost more than half of everything that I filmed. So there's just no hope for that video tomorrow/today. I wanted to get it up on Easter. That's not happening. Welcome to the diatribe. That's where I've been at today. It is now 4 a.m. on actual Easter, and I'm still sitting here filming. So, but let's see if Mr. Rainbow Bag, do you have something to cheer us up with today?
Reach into my stomach. There you will find something that will make you grin.
Okay. Oh, look! It's a new mystery unboxing series to open. Thank you so much, Mr. Rainbow Bag.
You are welcome, Internet Girl.
2019, and I'm now talking to my purses. Brave new world, and we're all just living in it. So yeah, I don't know. I'm actually like a bit nervous to even be filming this right now. I put in a new memory card. Like I said, I put in a new battery, but I hope that I'm actually filming what I think I'm filming. Amazing. Let's jump into the unboxing, which I am so excited for today. And then I will continue to tell you guys my harrowing tale of woe, filming mishap. So these are actually not even released yet. I think they told me they're coming out technically on May 3rd. So still a little ways away, but they are Tiny Toon Adventures Mini Keychains. And I'm so excited. I still remember coming home from school pretty much every day, and there would be like Tiny Toons repeats on TV, and I would get my gobble sticks and my jar of pickles because for some reason to me that was a well-balanced meal. There I would be watching the Tiny Toony All a Little Loony adventures. So the cool thing about this series, once again, and I don't know, you guys might have differing opinions about this, but we are going to see every single character. There's not like a super rare secret mystery one. So we will be seeing everybody today, including my favorite little guy whose name is Dodo Go-Go. Do you guys remember him? He's a little dodo bird. I cannot think of like an actual Looney Tune that was a dodo bird. This is what the box looks like, and It's really cute. I love the contrasting colors of like the black packaging with the rainbow circle. I don't know what you would even call that thing. So let's get into it. The packaging is the plain Kid Robot silver packaging, and they actually feel really tiny. So I wonder if these are going to be the tiniest minifigure keychains we've ever gotten. And I don't know, what do you guys think? They do look really, really little. I can't remember his name right now, the Sylvester counterpart. Furball, that was it. So here he is, so cute. I forgot about the little chunk missing from his ear. He's got a little tail. He is 1 out of every 24. So we're only going to be seeing him once. So you guys, I'm also kind of nervous. Like, I didn't see that it specifically said this in the warning, but I'm wondering if it overheated from me using this giant ring light. And then I had these 2 ice lights as well. And basically I was trying to try something new. And sometimes I feel like life is just urging me to just be what I am. Because I was like, ooh, I'll film in a different room today. Everyone will be so impressed and excited. But I feel like there's not lighting set up in all these other rooms. I feel like that's usually why I just film in the same areas of my house over and over again. This is Barky Markey. Here are his little ears, like kind of right in front of his eyes. He's really cute. 2 out of every 24. So we will be seeing him again. I'm trying to like, oh look, his ears can kind of like spin. I feel like that makes more sense than having ears right in front of your eyeballs. I don't know if I'm gonna be filming in this room anymore. I don't even know why I'm doing this now. I should have just moved back to the safety and the sanity of my filming closet or the filming bathroom. This is, oh, the Bookworm. Do you guys remember him? I feel like he was kind of like one of the more rare characters on the show. Like, I don't feel like he was in a ton of episodes. He is 1 out of every 24. So that's the only time that we're going to be seeing him as well. I'm trying to remember what year Tiny Toons came out. If it was in the early or kind of more mid 90s. I feel like it was on at the same time as Animaniacs. We got, oh my God, Calamity Coyote. I also just loved him so much as well. I don't know why Wile E. Coyote was always one of my favorite Looney Tunes characters. Thus, I feel like Calamity Coyote also became one of my favorites. I don't know if it's because like maybe specifically I remembered always watching like Wile E. Coyote Roadrunner cartoons with my grandpa, so I don't know if that's like kind of why that was like my favorite Looney Tunes character. He's 2 out of every 24, so we're gonna be seeing him again. It seems like anytime I try and do something different, like something is gonna fail me. I don't know. So then it's just like I walk away like more discouraged, and then I just feel stupid because I'm like, just why am I just constantly like fighting myself all the time to try and do things that are not natural to me at all. We got another repeat Calamity Coyote. Also, I am just being a total baby. Like, I'm just filming in a different room. Like, it should not be that big of a deal. And it isn't that big of a deal. Like, I don't know. It was just like a weird technical error. It could have happened anywhere, right? I feel like, you guys, the sunburn is really starting to come out. I was like actually trying to film a massive shoe unboxing today, and there are a lot of like really sparkly, fun, exciting shoes. So I wanted to try and like get them in full sunlight. And of course, I forgot sunscreen. My arms are getting burnt. My face is getting burnt, or maybe I just like tanned weird in certain areas. I don't know. I am out of practice. It has been like 5 years. Oh, we got another Barky Markey. And his ears are completely different. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Ooh, it is, why can't I think of his name? This is gonna drive me crazy. Buster. I was like Buster and Babs, right? Or is Babs? No, that's Lola, right? Bugs has Lola, Buster has Babs, right? He is so cute. I feel like I always loved Buster as well. I feel like I liked his personality and also the fact that he's blue. Buster is 3 out of every 24, so we are definitely gonna be seeing him again. Let's see who is in our next box. And we got, look, we got another Buster. We got another Buster back to back. I bet this one is gonna be Buster as well. I feel like sometimes when you pick like 2 side by side in a carton that's been like freshly opened, oftentimes the repeats will be next to each other. So I feel like that's why I always try and give you guys the tip. If y'all are just gonna be like buying not a whole case, then try and like pick like some from the top layer, some from the bottom, like in different parts of the carton, so that you guys are less likely to get these repeats, because there they were, all next to each other. Only 3 more on this top row here. I wonder if I can dim this anymore. No, that's it. Oh, that's as dim as it gets. I love the way that circle lights look to film with, but I swear they always give me a headache. I know some people are just gonna be so annoyed with today's video, and for that, I'm sorry. Now we have Babs, and she has these super cute little bows on her ears. So let's put them together. They are so cute. I feel like they would make like a really cute like double keychain. Do you know what I'm saying? I clip 2 of them on one key ring so that they can be together. Babs is 3 out of every 24. What do you want to bet these last 3? Let's see if we can debunk this theory for once and for all. Let's see if these last 3 on the top row are going to be 3 Babs. You guys, I think finally one of my theories turned out to be accurate. Let's see if we can also get Babs number 3. It is Babs number 3. So I think that theory definitely proves to be true. Ooh, Fifi is one of the options. I always love Pepe Le Pew as well. What is his name? Is it Porky? Why am I saying Porky? Hamilton J. Pig. So far away from Porky, it's not even funny. Who's Porky? Oh my god, no, Porky Pig. Could have had a V8. Where is my mind today? Hamilton J. Pig. Didn't they call him something for short though? Why am I thinking that he has a different pig name? I'm gonna pull from somewhere else in the carton because I think he is in here more than once. Oh my gosh, look, it's Dodo Go Go. He is so cute. Okay, you guys, I feel like we had another series that was like this as well. Some of the characters were bigger than other ones. Wasn't that a Simpsons series that we recently opened? Dodo and Hamilton J. Pig are the same size. But then look at how tiny Buster looks in comparison. He is super adorable and I love him. I remember he always had the little umbrella on his head. Please let me know if I'm having a brain fart and if he does have like an actual Looney Tunes counterpart. Also, you guys are gonna have to let me know. I think it was a Super Nintendo game that was a Tiny Toons one, and I loved that game so much. I feel like we talked about it on this channel before. There was like a Western, like a Wild West train level that was always my favorite. Oh, okay, what was the baby Taz's name? You guys, some of this, I wish it was like jarring my memory a little bit better. Some of them, I remember their names, and some of them, I do not at all. His name was Dizzy Devil. 2 out of every 24, so we shall be seeing him again. Next, we got Cheese. Wasn't his name something Cheese? Cheeser? That does not sound right. See, that's what I'm saying. That's so weird because like he has big ears as well, but like for some reason they made Babs and Buster super tiny. I don't know what's going on here. What was his name? Because it can't be Cheeser. Sneezer. I was really close. Cheeser, Sneezer. Also, why is he a mouse with no tail. We've got something in a box. Oh, we got another Dizzy Devil repeat. Looks like we've got 7 more boxes, including this one. I feel like we're still missing quite a few little people. We got another Dodo Go-Go. Y'all have to let me know, like, is it worth the gamble to try and film in here again? Is it really that different for me to be sitting in a different room? See, like, I feel like that comment is always like a little bit of a shock to me, but I guess it's just because like mostly the channels that I watch, like I feel like they're people with like complete setups with like a microphone setup and everything else, or it's like beauty YouTubers that are always like kind of filming in the same space. So I don't know, I just like don't think about like YouTubers moving around a lot unless they're like daily vloggers or something. Kind of like no other channel that does anything like close to what I do. Like, do I just see them like moving in different rooms all the time? I don't know. Oh look, it's the little baby Roadrunner. I don't know why I always want to just call him Beep Beep. It's like literally none of their character names. I love how his tongue is sticking out. He might actually be like my favorite one look-wise. He's so cute. Oh my God! Little Beeper. That must be why. I know I recently did a 90s video and I did call him like Beep Beep or something, and I thought I was just like not knowing what I was talking about at all, but I bet I was thinking about the Tiny Toon version of him. 4 more. Including this one. Oh, we got another Hamilton J Pig. Now that I'm thinking on it, I kind of do think I like it better when there is like one chase figure where you kind of like don't know if you're gonna get it at all or not. I feel like that does make it a little bit more of a mystery overall. We finally got a Fifi and she is massive in comparison to every other figure in this collection. Her tail almost looks like a little heart, huh? But she is so cute. But it is like crazy. Like, look at how big she is in comparison. Well, I don't know, maybe she didn't have a tail, but the tail is enormous, right? Shocking. So we're only going to see her once, and I love her. Okay, 2 more boxes. I'm trying to see if we've seen everybody or not. Oh, we got another little baby Beep. Beep beep. Last box, you guys. Okay. Oh, this is weird. Wait, was she 2? Oh, she's 2 out of every 24. I was like, wait, we did get kind of a weird carton. For some reason, I thought she was 1 out of every 24, but she is 2 out of every 24. So now we've got 2 skunks. That's it for today's video. You guys are gonna have to let me know down below. Did you like these? Are you excited? Are you gonna try and pick up some yourself? Did you watch Tiny Toons? If so, who was your favorite toon? I'm trying to remember, did they have like a little gossamer? You guys know the big red monster heart-shaped looking guy? He's definitely one of my favorites too, and I don't remember if he was ever in the Tiny Toons. I'm kind of shocked, like I'm trying to remember what the school was. If you guys watch Tiny Toons, you probably know what I'm talking about. Like Toon University or whatever, there was like a rival school and there was kind of like all these like mean snobby characters. I'm shocked we didn't see one of those guys in here. Thank you guys for being here and for listening. Thank y'all so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Peppers squad today. We'll see y'all very soon, but until I do, don't forget, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so, so much. And I don't know why I just did these fingers, but I will see y'all again very, very soon. Bye.